See how they look during the daytime. Ooh, they still hit. I might leave these on, I ain't gonna hold you. I just put these LED fog lights in last night. Bro, they're so bright. And it makes your car feel like you got a brand new car. Anyway, let's go ahead and try out this right here from Chemical Guys. I went to the car wash yesterday, but you know, they don't really do the best job, so I'm gonna use this to add a little extra love. You can use it on vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Alright, here's how it looks now without. See that? I think you gotta shake it first. I can't wait to get some new wheels. Uh-oh. There we go. I need a camera person. I feel like I'm not doing the best job. There we go. Just had to lock in. Alright, let me show y'all the side where the sun is hitting. Yeah, we in there. That shit wet. That shit wet. Wait till I get to. Wait till I put some wheels on here. Some Rohanas. This shit gonna hit. Make them shiny like that. I always use. Well, I'm not gonna say always, but I typically use Chemical Guys for my windows, and I got their leather cleaner, so I like their stuff. Chemical Guys, if y'all see this, send me stuff so I can use it on my car. Send me stuff. Alright YouTube, what's good? What's going on? It's your guy E60 Stuff checking in. It's been a while. Ain't really had too much going on. I did do my brakes recently, but this is my first time doing it, and I'm glad I didn't record it because that shit took forever. It was a process, but the next time I change my brakes, I'm gonna upgrade the pistons and maybe even get some Brimbos, because the ECS, the yellow stuff tuning brakes, Street Performance, excuse me, ECS tuning, they're already squeaking. They're already squeaking, and I thought it said, you know, you don't get any squeak, but I think that's any brake that collects dust and heat, and that's just what happens. But anyhow, it's July 12th. It is Bimmers Breakfast, I think. That's where we headed to. We was here a few months back. I did some vlogging, I met some people, but this time I got my boy Delta's pulling up. He has a 540, I think. Now, he's not really a car enthusiast like that, but he has a Beamer, and it's a very beautiful Beamer. So he's pulling up. Hopefully he'll let me get that on camera. I know he said he didn't wash it, so maybe not. We'll see. My boy Deshaun, he's pulling up. He's bringing the Porsche, I believe, because he sold the M8. It hurts, but I get it. He has a higher appreciating or depreciating, I guess, car that holds its value longer. So shit, he made the upgrade. He don't need the M8. He's had it for years. Sold it. But I need to charge my camera because apparently I left my camera on for the past 3 days, which I'm surprised it even still has a charge. So while we drive there, I'm not doing a group drive. It's nothing exciting happening here. I'm gonna charge my camera, and I'll see y'all there. Peace out. CO6 out here. Gotta get my car in there one time. Oh, my shit, I mean, it is stock, but it's like looking at my car next to all these other cars is crazy.
That's how I feel. I feel like my shit is basically be into the same shit. Be into this shit. It's a stare shoot. You wanna walk around a little bit?
Old school M3 right there. Wait, 5 or 3? I think I said 5, maybe.
Nah, it can't be 5. It's too small.
You might be right. That's what I'm thinking. Cause I'm looking at the face. It might be a 3.
3 or 4.
I'm over here holding the camera. I don't even know what to say. See, I'm going for a theme like, well, I'm about to wrap the car though, but
What color?
so I'm actually gonna do something different. That's gonna stand out. I'm doing like a. That shit is tough. Emphasis on the Kirby.
That's it, brother. That's it. Congrats, congrats. I was waiting for you. I was like, everybody's leaving. I'm like, nah, I gotta wait for him. Good, bro. Really nice.
Fire.
Wait, the audience counted the lift? Yeah.
All right, you two. So my boy got me at the second car meet of the day. Rich guy right there, Deshaun, aka that M5. But she don't even got an M5.
Got a spot called K-Pod.
Isn't that the
That's a Korean barbecue spot. RP.
That sound like
It's
the way.
only 10 minutes from here.
So hell yeah, we can do that.
Go there.
Second spot of the day. This one seems to be
gotta
more.
eat.
He gotta eat. All he do is eat. Eat and travel. Yeah, second spot is they got music, it's live. We won't be here long though. He's been here since 10. I'm just coming to get some footage and we gonna go get something to eat because he hasn't eaten, I haven't eaten. And it's a beautiful day in New Jersey. That's just crazy. That's yikes. Alright, I might try to get some footage since I'll be behind bro. It's gonna be a little hard with one hand, but let's see what we can do. What the fuck? What an idiot. Whole idiot. Come on, bro. Just because you don't love your car don't mean we don't love ours. Shit. Y'all see this? Alright, yeah, so update. We're headed to what is it called? K-pop? K-pop? Korean spot, Korean barbecue. He's been at the other spot all day, so I just pulled up. I got a little footage. Plus, I'm sweating bricks, so get out this sun. I need to go ahead and get me one of those like camera mounts so I can get me some dash cam footage or just like interior footage, because it's hard driving like this. Of course, I can do it because I got the wheel, but that's not the point. Gotta be smart. One of these days, I'm hoping to get a good drive in with my boy D in the Porsche. Let me cut that out because that sounded crazy. Yeah, one of these days, I'm hoping I can do a group ride with bro. See how I do with the Porsche. But hopefully, also, I won't be super stock by then. We can maybe have some downpipes and exhaust done at least by then. But as I always say, I'm not going to go too crazy with this car. I'm thinking on getting an M550. That I might go crazy. With this, I'm only going to do the exhaust. When the turbos die, I'll probably change the turbos. And intake and the cooler. So I'm gonna do some stuff, but I'm not, I don't know. I don't think that's too crazy. Damn, even leaning, my arm's tired. All right, how about this? If we do any more crazy driving, I'll pick you guys up, because as of now, I need to focus on driving safely. I'll be back. Yeah, my car long as hell next to yours. I feel like I'm in the other spot. Barely.
I have healthy herb and a Japanese miso.
Healthy herb?
Yeah, Japanese miso.
Question, do you know how to turn on the stoves?
I don't.
Okay. Alright, so right here on the blanking light, that's your right. You just tap 2 times to the right,
Okay.
1 time to the left. That'll switch the modes for medium time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So it's 2 times to the right, 1 time to the left. It'll switch the modes for medium time.
Okay, thank you.
What a day. It's always good to catch up with friends and meet new people and be around a bunch of fast, sexy cars. The second spot we went to, man, y'all saw it. It was BMWs, it was Ferraris, it was Lamborghini, McLaren. It's motivating, you know what I mean? I find motivation in just being around people who have gotten to where they are to get those types of cars and just meet up with regular people, or just meet up with people in general and have a good time, you know what I mean? That's what life's about. Enjoying yourself. Because you only got one to live. Y'all don't mind me on the deep shit right now. I just left this Korean spot with my boy. I'm not gonna lie. Pineapple and garlic is a crazy combination, because I thought I was gonna make it home. Nope. Bro was like, you might want to hit the toilet before you leave. I was like, I'm good. Instantly, as soon as I said that, boop. So I think I'm good for the next, pretty much till I make it home. But I think I'm gonna end the video here so I can listen to my music while I drive back to Neptune. I got about a 25-ish, 30-minute drive. So yeah, if y'all tuned in this far, I appreciate y'all. Sorry for not keeping up with the videos, but like I said, I haven't really been doing much. I've been just working non-stop with other stuff and on top of my job. So I'll try to make sure to cut that off. But on a fast note, real quick, I will say this: my credit score is going up, I'm paying my debt down, so I'm on course. And the goal is, as soon as I take care of this debt, it's nothing crazy, but you know, like 2 more credit cards, technically 3, but at the end of this month, one of those will be down, so 2 more after that. And once I take care of that, I'm gonna start building this up, so that when we go to these car meets, I do get looks here and there, because typically I'm the only person with a E60. It's just unfortunate it's not the M5, or that it's stock, which that's actually the bigger unfortunate. It's just stock, so it's a normal car. You know, I tinted the windows and I got LED lights on there, but still stock. Most people care about performance numbers and all that. So I say all that to say, we on course. I'm gonna take care of this debt, and eventually you're gonna see some wheels on here. It's gonna be a little lowered. Gonna have the sport trimming on the front, like the front bumper, rear bumper, all of that is coming real soon. And then the wrap will probably be my last thing, since that's gonna be a bit pricey. But hey, so appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy as always. It's your guy E60 Seth, and until next time, peace. Don't mind my finger, man. I cut it.